Hey everybody, welcome back. And if you're new, hi, I'm Kirit and this is Bunderella. Welcome to our channel. I hope you're all safe and I hope you're all doing well. Today, I'm so excited. This has been a huge week. Next week's my birthday, that's one big thing. And then the other huge thing is I relaunched my jewelry business, Urban Gypsy. And one other huge thing, thanks to all of you. I've reached my goal of 100 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you guys so much. It means so much to me that you guys are so supportive and that you watch my videos and enjoy my little passion project. Now, without further ado, here's some interesting things, interesting stuff you should know about your rabbit. Bunnies are crepuscular. Our little lagomorphs are often thought to be nocturnal, but in reality, they are most likely doing their zoomies at dawn and dusk. This makes them perfect if you work during the day because your bunny often spends this time snoozing. Speaking of Z's, fact number 2, did you know that bunnies can sleep with their eyes open? Number 3, rabbits are highly intelligent and super trainable. You can train your rabbit to do tricks, teach them to use a litter box, or even free roam in your home. 4. Did you know that when your rabbit is super duper happy, it will jump for joy? This is called a binky, and it is immensely satisfying to see. 5. Rabbits are super quiet 90% of the time. Sometimes you'll hear them though. They'll grunt when they're upset, they'll scream loudly when they're in pain, and they'll purr when they're happy. Number 6. Rabbits are so smart. They can become bored easily. It's important to give your bunny lots of attention and enrichment through toys and foraging games. Remember, a bored rabbit is a destructive rabbit. Number 7. Despite being great at making messes, rabbits are very clean animals. They groom themselves meticulously and should not be given a bath. Submerging them in water is traumatic for them and can cause them to go into shock. Number 8. Rabbits have 5 toes on their front paws and 4 on their back paws. And finally, number 9. Rabbits are the 3rd most abandoned animal in shelters. People will buy or adopt them as starter pets or Easter gifts. Little do they know that rabbits live 10 to 14 years when properly cared for. They're excellent chewers and they require a lot of attention. So please adopt, don't shop, and definitely be mindful when bringing a new pet into the family. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and the guest appearances we had. Huge shout out to them. I'll link their Instas in the description box below so you can go love on them too. Anyway, have a great weekend. See you next week. Bye.